If creating content, presentations, or videos feels harder than it should, this video is going to save you hours because most people don't actually have a content problem. They have a getting started problem. And today I'm going to show you one of the simplest ways to use AI that almost no one talks about, but I use it constantly. You don't need to write better. You don't need to think harder. You just need to talk. This works whether you're creating a presentation, a YouTube video, a proposal, website copy, or social media posts. It works if you hate writing. It works if your thoughts feel messy. It works even if you only have a few minutes. And you can do it from anywhere. This isn't about being more polished. It's about getting what's in your head out and letting AI do the organizing. If you're new here, I'm Michelle. I run Meraki AI. I help service-based businesses use AI in practical, human ways, not hype, not gimmicks. And this brain dump method is something I use almost every day. You see, most people open ChatGPT immediately think, well, what prompt do I use? Or how do I say this perfectly? What if I mess up? Or they open it up and start typing away. Well, that's the wrong starting point. AI doesn't need perfect input. It needs raw input. Your job isn't to organize your thoughts. Your job is to get them out of your head. A friend of mine needed to create a presentation. She was stressed about how long it was going to take, how to structure it, and where to even start. Well, I asked her one simple question. Why don't you just talk it out? She hadn't even considered that. She thought using AI meant sitting down and typing something polished and well written. It doesn't. Here's the method. All right, you open ChatGPT, or you can do this in any of the platforms. They all have this. So here is the microphone. Every platform has one, and you just click the little microphone and you're going to start talking. So I'm going to give you a lot of information. I'm going to break it into sections. Don't do anything just yet. Just listen. Now, this is section one. And then you're going to start talking. You're going to ramble. You're going to say whatever you need to say, whatever you need to say about your presentation. You just start talking. What points matter? You include stories. You repeat yourself. You ramble a little. You stumble a little. That's all fine. If it helps, you can say this is section one. And then you send it off by clicking the little check. Then it has transcribed everything you say, and then you can send it off. And then once it's transcribed, so you can see here, got it, I'm listening, go ahead and send section one whenever you're ready. So that's section one. Now I can click it again, and this is section two. I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about whatever it is I need to tell you about. And then you can click the check mark. Now there are other options. I have another tool here which I can click on and use this instead on a Mac. It is called Mac Whisper. On a PC, I'm not sure what it's called, but I'm going to put a link to both in the description below. And this serves the same thing. I can talk and transcribe whatever I want. And then I just click the button that it needs, and it's got it all. So we have two different options in terms of transcribing. Now, there are a few reasons why this works so well. First, you speak much faster than you type. Second, you can do this anywhere. I'm literally using this method right now to organize this video. I'm driving in my car and I am rambling to ChatGPT. Third, AI starts learning how you actually talk. When we type, we over edit. When we speak, we sound human, and that makes the output better. Only after you're done talking do you give the instructions, and this is where prompts actually matter. You might say something like, act as an expert in presentations and visual storytelling, or turn everything I just shared into a clear, organized 15-slide presentation. Include slide titles and bullet points. Or turn this into a YouTube script, or a proposal, or a series of social media posts. Now, AI does the organizing for you. Ideally, you do this inside a project folder where AI already knows your business, your audience, and your style. This makes the output even better. But you don't need that to start. The brain dump method works either way. So, this is how you stop staring at a blank screen. You're not outsourcing your thinking, you're outsourcing the organizing. Your ideas still matter, your voice still matters. AI just helps you move faster. In another video, I'll show how I use this exact brain dump method to create carousel posts for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn in under 10 minutes. If you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.